cool and powerful machines that are on another level. In the realm of modern engineering, certain machines stand out not just for their functionality, but for their sheer power and innovation. These machines are designed to tackle some of the most demanding tasks imaginable, pushing the boundaries of what is possible with technology and engineering. From massive transport vehicles to groundbreaking mining equipment, these cool and powerful machines are on another level. Perkins STC. Perkins STC is a name that stands out in the world of heavy machinery for its high-performance engine systems. Perkins, a well-known manufacturer of engines, has developed the STC series to meet the needs of demanding applications across various industries. These engines are designed to deliver exceptional power, efficiency, and reliability, making them a critical component in many heavy-duty machines. The Perkins STC engines are renowned for their advanced technology and robust construction. They feature state-of-the-art fuel injection systems, turbocharging, and intercooling, which work together to optimize performance and fuel efficiency. This makes them ideal for applications such as construction equipment, agricultural machinery, and industrial engines, where high power output and reliability are essential. The engines are also designed to meet stringent emission standards, ensuring that they provide powerful performance while minimizing environmental impact. The combination of advanced technology and robust design makes Perkins STC engines a top choice for heavy-duty applications. Kometo SP Evo 2 Transport. Kometo SP Evo 2 Transport is a cutting-edge transport vehicle designed for handling the heaviest and most complex loads. Kometo, a leading manufacturer in the field of heavy transport solutions, has developed the SP Evo 2 to meet the needs of industries that require high-capacity transport solutions. This machine is known for its advanced technology, exceptional performance, and versatility. One of the key features of the Kometo SP Evo 2 is its modular design, which allows it to be configured in various ways to suit different transport needs. The vehicle can be adjusted in length, width, and height, enabling it to accommodate a wide range of loads and navigate challenging terrains. This flexibility is crucial for transporting large industrial components, heavy machinery, and other oversized items. The SP Evo 2 is also equipped with advanced steering systems and hydraulic controls, which provide precise maneuverability and stability, even when carrying extremely heavy loads. This level of control ensures safe and efficient transport, reducing the risk of accidents and delays. Faymonville. Faymonville is a renowned name in the world of heavy transport and logistics, specializing in the design and manufacture of high-performance transport solutions. The company is known for its innovative approach to engineering, producing a range of machines that are designed to handle the most demanding transport tasks. Faymonville's equipment is characterized by its advanced technology, exceptional build quality, and versatile capabilities. One of the standout features of Faymonville's transport solutions is their modular design, which allows for customization and adaptation to various transport needs. The company offers a range of trailers and transport vehicles that can be configured in different ways to accommodate oversized and heavy loads. This flexibility is essential for industries that require specialized transport solutions, such as construction, mining, and industrial manufacturing. Faymonville's equipment is also equipped with advanced hydraulic systems and steering mechanisms, which provide precise control and stability, ensuring safe and efficient transport of heavy loads. Felbermayr. Felbermayr is a global leader in heavy transport and lifting solutions, known for its cutting-edge equipment and exceptional performance. The company specializes in providing transport and lifting solutions for large and heavy loads, offering a range of machines that are designed to tackle the most demanding tasks. Felbermayr's equipment is recognized for its advanced technology, high performance, and versatility. One of the key features of Felbermayr's equipment is its ability to handle oversized and heavy loads with precision and efficiency. The company offers a range of heavy transport vehicles, including modular trailers and lifting systems, that are designed to accommodate a variety of load sizes and types. These machines are equipped with advanced hydraulic systems and control mechanisms, which provide precise maneuverability and stability, ensuring safe and efficient transport and lifting operations. Felbermayr's commitment to innovation and performance ensures that its equipment can handle even the most challenging transport and lifting tasks. Hericat. Hericat is a name synonymous with cutting-edge heavy transport and lifting solutions. This company is renowned for its innovative approach to engineering and logistics, offering a range of machines that are designed to handle some of the most challenging transport and lifting tasks. Hericat's equipment is characterized by its advanced technology, powerful performance, and exceptional versatility. One of the standout features of haircut machines is their ability to move and lift extremely heavy loads with precision. These machines are equipped with advanced hydraulic systems and computer-controlled mechanisms that allow for fine-tuned adjustments and high levels of control. This makes them ideal for applications such as moving large industrial components, heavy machinery, and even entire buildings. Additionally, haircut's commitment to safety and reliability ensures that their equipment can handle the most demanding tasks while minimizing risks and maximizing efficiency. The combination of advanced technology, powerful performance, and exceptional versatility makes haircut a leader in the field of heavy transport and lifting. Space Shuttle Fuel Tank Emirate. The Space Shuttle Fuel Tank Emirate is one of the most iconic pieces of heavy transport equipment ever built, designed to handle the transportation of massive space shuttle fuel tanks. This extraordinary machine was used to move the enormous external fuel tanks from the manufacturing facility to the launch site, showcasing its incredible size and power. One of the standout features of the Space Shuttle Fuel Tank Emirate is its sheer scale and capacity. The vehicle was built to accommodate the massive dimensions of the fuel tanks, which are critical components of the Space Shuttle's launch system. The Emirate was equipped with advanced hydraulic and steering systems, allowing it to transport the fuel tanks with precision and stability. This level of control was essential for ensuring that the tanks arrived at the launch site safely and without damage, given their critical role in the Space Shuttle program. Lebenkrieger High Tonnage Mining. Lebenkrieger High Tonnage Mining is a leading name in the field of mining equipment, specializing in the design and manufacture of high-capacity machinery for extracting and processing large volumes of material. This equipment is known for its impressive power, efficiency, and durability, making it a critical component in large-scale mining operations. One of the standout features of Lebenkrieger high-tonnage mining equipment is its ability to handle massive volumes of material with ease. The machines are equipped with powerful engines and advanced hydraulic systems, which enable them to perform heavy-duty tasks such as digging, hauling, and processing large quantities of ore. This level of performance is essential for meeting the demands of modern mining operations, where efficiency and productivity are crucial. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.